Okay, before starting the session, happy Independence Day to everyone. Now we are going to the independence of from disease and suffering and mental tensions through perceptional healing methods. India got independence, so we are planning to get independence from disease also through these methods. These methods are all scientific based with a spiritual background. This helps you get more. This helps you heal pain fast, reduce stress fast, and this will elevate your consciousness fast. Just only you need to focus on this. Just you need to practice even a few minutes per day. If you focus, it will transform your life in the long term. If you, when you are in stress, when you are in tension, when you are in any pain, this will be works as a rescue. Even you, if you have any of the family member is in any rescue also, any problem also, these pH methods helps you a lot. We are going to what are these pH methods. Before that, we'll discuss a little science of what is epigenetics and we'll suggest them. Okay.
Sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Subara sir, చెప్పండి సార్.
టైం ఏమో మార్చారే సార్ 10:30కి పెట్టి 10:30 పెట్టారు.
అది ఆటోమేటిక్ అయిపోయింది సార్. అది మేము ఇప్పుడు 10:30కి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం ఇన్స్ట్రక్టర్ కోర్సు లెవెల్ 3 అన్ని.
లెవెల్ 3 స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారా?
లెవెల్ 3 కానీ లెవెల్ 4 కానీ ఇన్స్ట్రక్టర్స్ కోర్స్ కానీ 10:30కి ఉంటాయి అనమాట. అందుకని అది ఆటోమేటిక్ గా తీసేసుకుంది. తర్వాత మార్చేసేపు 10 o'clock.
అదే కదా ఏందబ్బా అని. ఓకే సార్, ఇండిపెండెన్స్ డే శుభాకాంక్షలు సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. మీకు కూడా వజ్రోత్సవ స్వతంత్రోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు.
అవును సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you, sir. Wish you the same, sir, to all the participants too.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Welcome to the perception healing level 1. Up to how many levels is those of 7 levels? These are total 7 levels. Every level is every next level is much advanced, much time based than the before one. If you want to qualify for next level, no need to pay any amount. You need to practice the before level and you need to post your testimonies. And if we feel you can able to understand the next level, will easily come to the next level. There is no payment of all these 7 levels. Only your payment is your focus, your 100% giving. That's it. Let's see this. These two people are quarreling. Who is right, who is wrong? Both are right in their perceptions, in their view of life. Both are right. Both are wrong in their view of others. Most people think that what they're thinking is only right, what others thinking is wrong. But here in this science, it's saying that everyone's perception is right according to their own thinking. If we want to know the truth, we need to understand the polarity. We need to understand the science. Suppose if the left side person understand the what is the right person is seeing, you can watch this letter on the floor, then he able to reduce his anger. He doesn't quarrel with the right side person. He unable to understand other person's mindset. That's where the quarrel is happening. And also both people are not understanding other person, and both people are quarreling that other person is wrong. This is the most 90% issues are these things. So if you allopathy, if you ask allopathy doctor, he said Ayurveda and homeopathy is waste. If you ask Ayurveda doctor, allopathy is waste. And if you ask naturopathy, only naturopathy is waste, all else is waste. And if you ask any healing method practitioner, they think only their healing method is only right, all the healing methods are wrong. If you see some spiritual practices groups, there are many groups are there in India and other countries. Their spiritual group is only right, all other spiritual groups are wrong. This attitude is it's a blunder mistakes. They are attracting so many problems because they are influencing their own subconscious mind with negativity and untruth. Untruth is more dangerous than the negativity. The truth is, we are all humans. We need to understand each other because we are all different. We are all different. That's why we need to understand each other. And negativity is which we think, which we feel, that is the negativity. If you feel negativity, that itself is the negativity. If you feel positivity, that itself the positivity. And let's think on more. What is the perception, sir? Dr. Emoto Musro, he find that our emotions, our thoughts, the words we use can influence the water and can make the water into beautiful structures. Like if you use the word thank you, it works like a beautiful structure. If you say you make me sick, it's like a dirty water. If you say love and appreciation, or even if you feel love and appreciation, also it works a very beautiful diamond structure. And here you see the water molecule before prayer, water molecule after prayer. He observed that even the prayers, meditations, mantras, emotions, thoughts, words, all influenced in the water. It might be positive or negative. The water reacts according to the perception of the person. If suppose if a person have a negative perception, the water also changing into the negativity, and the people who drinking this water causes unhealth and diseases. If a person having a positive perception, even unhealthy water like this, you see the water molecule, and after the prayer, what happens? That the water molecule becomes the positivity and showing a beautiful structure form. Okay, and what we can understand in his sense is the water, our human body have 70% water in our body. Most people, I think, had 70% water we had in our physical body. How, as this Dr. Emoto Musro found that the water can record our emotions and our perceptions. What the water doing in our body, this 70% water, do they not recording our perceptions, our emotions? Surely they will. If we are recording the negativity, if we are recording, so suppose a person having a negative emotions by watching news channels, in his body the water molecules become impure and his body become weak. If he had a blaming attitude with no reasons and blaming everyone, government, blaming the anyone, and his water levels in the body become also impure. So who is the cause of his suffering? Is his self, himself, herself, you can say. But they don't think that because the blame, we can blame others, we can't blame ourselves. That's the natural tendency human beings have. But we need to accept the truth. Once we elevate our consciousness, we are able to accept the truth. We forgive ourselves for the programming which we had done, and we start remaking and repurifying the water inside us, repurifying our subconscious mind and subconscious mind with changing in the perceptions. Changing in the perceptions. If we change the perceptions into positivity, it's enough the changing the life. But to change the life, you need to hold on to the positive perception. That you need to don't forget that. If you have 10 minutes of positive perceptions per day and rest of 8 hours have negative perceptions, it doesn't work. We need to hold on the positive perception. Okay. Sorry, I will mute again. Okay. So don't forget, we need to hold to the positive perceptions. That's the change of life. What's your perception of life? Here, Dr. Albert Einstein gave a very beautiful sentence. There are only two ways to live your life. One is as though nothing is a miracle, and other is as though everything is a miracle. Which way we can choose? Which way we need to choose? Just think that. Which way? Just can we think our life is beautiful or not? Or not? Which way we need to choose? Better choose that everything is a miracle. If you choose that nothing is a miracle, it's a waste of life. I have many graha doshas. Yeah, they have its own science. Astrology has its own science, but I'm not condemning the astrology. But I am telling that you can change your astrology. You can change your life. You can change your everything by changing your perceptions. If you have a person have a debt, a person have a disease, they can change themselves into a beautiful life by changing the perceptions to highest good. Okay, let's choose everyone that everything, my life is a miracle and everything is a miracle. If you choose like that, and hold on to that thought, that you are a miracle and everything in your life is a miracle, and you observe the miracles in your life. Okay, if you don't believe that, it also works. If you believe that, it also works. Okay. Evolution of consciousness is the only solution for all the problems permanently, not temporarily, it's permanently. Dr. David Hawkins studied 25 years on human behavior and used the kinesiology muscle testing methods, and he found a beautiful map of conscious scale. It helps to elevate our consciousness and also understand where we are now. Okay, this wonderful book, this Power versus Force. If you study this book, you will transform a lot. Even this book itself elevate your consciousness 35 points. And he made a map of conscious scale like this. I'm giving a small information here. He find a map of consciousness from 0 to 1000 level. Among that scale, he find that the persons who are elevated of high consciousness have zero unemployment, zero poverty, and their high life is happiness, 100% happiness, and zero crime rate. If their level of consciousness is low, they have more unemployment, more poverty, the happiness is zero, crime rate is 98%. Who is the crime, the criminal, the greatest criminal or highest crimes person is person who cheat himself, not others, who cheat himself, who doesn't give the time for his own elevation. He's the real criminal. Okay, and suppose here you see, if a person have no happiness in your life, you also, if you don't face any happiness in your life, means you can check that you are in somewhere of low consciousness. If you increase your consciousness, your happiness increases. Here, happiness doesn't depend upon the things, depend upon the inside world.
Sir, can I take a screenshot, sir?
This slide, this PPT, everything is in the group, ma'am. Again, I post, don't worry.
Okay, sir.
If you want, you can take, no problem. Okay, so if you want to reduce the poverty, you know, some people, you want to reduce their poverty, what you need to do, you need to elevate their consciousness. Doesn't give the job, every job or entrepreneurship. They make their own life what they choose. Some people love jobs, some people love entrepreneurship, some people love service, some people love something else. But if you elevate the consciousness, they will easily come out of their poverty. Okay, just you need to choose like that. If you want to reduce the crime rate, we need to work on the elevation of consciousness. And here the elevation of consciousness, how it works on illness. Here you say, the more the conscious level, the health naturally prevails. The less the consciousness, illness naturally prevails. Here you see that from the 200 level, the ego dictates all actions. From above 600 level, the ego is transcended. There is no ego from above 600. The enlightenment is attained here, and 800 consciousness is enlightened, and health naturally prevails. If you want health without any naturopathy diets, without any exercise, without anything, just elevate your consciousness. That's the only answer. Even some people have a lot of thinking about Ayurveda, homeopathy, naturopathy. They do everything, they follow. Even they feel a small sort of health issue also, they feel they get frightened, and they again revise the what they learned and go to the new doctors, new thinking and new books and study new thinking, because it's like a chasing the disorders, chasing the illnesses. Here, work on the elevation of consciousness. Our body have a natural mechanism to fight with any illness. It's a natural mechanism, and let it fight. Let it give you the power to the immunity. Let's like our military have its own power to combat any terrorist. The same way our military inside us have a power to combat any disorder, discomfort, disease, infection or body. If you give full powers to your immunity, it will take care. But we don't give. Why? Because we are emotional. If we become emotional more, if you're more attached to the disease, or we are more attached to the health, or we are more attached to the everything else in outside world, the immunity will reduce. we are compromising the immunity in us, making immunity that you relax, I will take antibiotic, you relax, I will take such a fruits, such a vegetables. I'm not saying don't take them. I'm saying that while taking them also, you need to give the powers to the immunity. If you elevate your consciousness, the body naturally increases its immunity. And if anything terrorist attack like any pathogen attack occurs inside our body, it will take care. Okay, it will move on, it will combat it very easily. So work on your elevation of consciousness, that solves all issues. We have corona this year and last year. Maybe in future we don't have corona, or we might have some other diseases. We don't know, but the only solution for all the diseases is elevation of our consciousness. If your consciousness is elevated and you will understand the truth, which need to attach, which is not to attach, which need to detach, that you will get clear-cut clarity in your mind. That will help you a lot. And now we're going to elevation of consciousness. I'm giving the three theory in this session, that is about epigenetics. The science which I take this information is from this book, The Psychobiology of Genetic Expression, Gene Expression, by Dr. Ernest Blair Rossi. This is one of the PhD reference book, this one. I think it's more than 4,000 rupees worth. It's a for MD psychology books, some genetics who are working, who are studying on genetics and epigenetics, they are the referred book for them. But I'm giving this information to help everyone. We have genes that we know. Certain genes we can't change, like likenesses. Just you have some likenesses with your parents, or with your mama, uncles, aunties. You have some likenesses with your family members. They doesn't change. We can't change them. They contribute 20% of your genetics, and 80% rest of the genetics comes under epigenetic category that we can change. Even sometimes we have the behavior, not only likenesses, the physical likenesses only we have with our family members, but sometimes behavior also we can have the likeness with our family members. Suppose certain behavior of workaholic attitude comes from your mama, or if you have sometimes insomnia, sleeplessness, maybe comes from grandpa. And if you have book reading habit, comes from your another auntie. We don't know, but we will get both positive and negative to us. But in behavior method, we can change the negative. Suppose you get positivity, you change it. So I got the positivity of studying books from my grandpa, and I got the same thing. What is that? Not attaching to the spirituality, not going to spiritual materialistic world, attaching to the materialistic world also, I got it from another part of my family. That's I need to change. Then I change that. Oh, the behavior towards materialistic world is more, means the suffering will be more. So I need to work on that. And so I started detaching, and I worked on my behavior and started changing my epigenetics. I keeping the positives which I got from my family members, and I rewriting the negatives which I got from my family members. Okay, that is contribute 80% of epigenetics. I'm giving the three methods which helps you to rewrite your epigenetics if you focus on. The first method we will work on, that is, because before working the first method, just here this slide giving a small comparison how for a non-biological students how it works. The epigenetics are like just like our Google Play Store and Android phone. In Google Play Store, the apps we choose with emotions will download them. The same way our emotions and RNA helps to wake up corresponding genes in our epigenetics. In our epigenetics, we have near to 3 crores of genes which are in sleeping mode. Like 3 crores of sleep, they are in sleeping mode, like just like they are in Kumbhakarnas. If you wake up, they create a hum. Certain genes might create a hum. There are certain genes which are rishis, like Agastya Maharshi, rishis who are in tapas. If you wake up them, they give the positive to the world. There are 3 crores plus genes which are in sleeping mode. Suppose if a person has a doubt of cancer, what they do, they give a markers test, CA125, CA12, CA65 test. What are these? These are the genetic tests. What do in those tests they diagnose that do that gene is wake up or not? If that gene is wake up, the cancer is confirmed. If those genes are not wake up, the cancer is not wake up, and the cancer is not confirmed. The P53 gene is there, which which will be tested every year to diagnose for breast cancer. They work on that gene. If that gene is wake up, it surely gives the breast cancer. CA125 is most of the cancers, gastrointestinal cancers comes under that one. And your ovarian cancer also will get in CA125. But here we are saying the same way that those are the CA markers cancer test. Here we are saying the epigenetics. Those are the genes. Those genes are wake up with RNA or with our emotions. Just like our we download the applications from Google Play Store with our emotions. Wrong choice of emotions and food wake up harmful genes, in turn causes disease of acute or even chronic. If we use the wrong choice of emotions and wrong food, it wake up the harmful genes in us, which causes the acute or even chronic disease. And in Google Play Store also, if you choose wrong applications, harmful applications in our mobile, in turn data theft happens, and battery also drain, even mobile also causes some problems because of wrong choice of apps. The right choice of emotions and food wake up healthy genes, in turn heals the disease of even chronic or dreadful disease. The same way, if we use the right choice of emotions and right choice of food, it will activate the right healthy genes. In turn, it helps to heal even a cancer. That's why we can see many cancer survivors. There are many people died with cancer, and we can also see that many people who have survived with cancer also. The right choice of apps causes good apps, in turn helps to increase the mobile features for our productivity and save time. That's a small comparison with the epigenetics and Google Play Store. Okay, and this is the first category of the genes which we are going to discuss here. There are many categories of genes are there. We are going to only top 3 most needed genes in our daily life, which may cause even the dreadful diseases, cancers, diabetes, kidney failures, or many other diseases. This is the first one, immediate early genes. The name is saying that these genes will wake up very fast, very immediate. How much time it takes to wake up these genes? Just 30 seconds. 30 seconds is enough to stimulate, to wake up these genes which are in sleeping mode in you and in me. What is the criteria? What is the qualification, or what is the input we need to give to this wake up? Is our emotions. And these immediate early genes can influence our biology, our psychology, and psychobiological arousal and mind-body rhythms. And it works on reproduction, sex, and central nervous system, epilepsy, homeostasis, metabolism, cell division, and diet, development, immunology, genetic disorders. You can see that the cancer and cardiovascular disorders are genetic disorders. These are also activated by immediate early genes category. And memory, stress, sleep, pain, psychosomatic disorders, maternal behavior, addiction, psychosis, all comes under how you behave, that depend upon the program of these immediate early genes. If they are the positive genes of this category, you have very good memory, you have very less stress, you love the flow of life. If these immediate early genes are negative, you resist the life, you resist the flow of life, you're not interested in life, you show more stress, you more insomnia, you feel why you are here, you are not you doesn't have very good communication skills with others, and you suffer, you might have money problems, career problems, any all other things, all are add up one by one will be added. So now I am here telling how to activate the positive genes of this category. Negative genes everyone know, but we work on the positive genes, which makes these immediate early genes help us for us. Well, I'm already given the before slide that it takes 30 seconds to stimulate these genes. So So you can understand that why even people with good habits will also suffer. The reason number one, blaming all other spiritual methods except ours, blaming all other traditions except ours, blaming all other political parties except ours, blaming all other diet methods except ours. You understand that here the immediate genes saying that these genes will be activated according to your emotions. If a person is there, that person is in one political party, he starts blaming the another political party. Okay, it might be appear the truth in outside world, but inside he's blaming. The blaming itself is a negative. It will activate certain genes in them. That's why you can't see a politician who died from last 10 years died healthy. And they have many diseases they suffer. All are chronic disorders. They have many chronic disorders patients, all are, who died from last 10 years. Not only political, some practices, some practice certain spiritual methods, they think they are the right, all else are wrong. They are the right, it's very good. If you say that all others wrong, that activates the negative genes in them. Even also traditions. Some say, you say, suppose I'm in Andhra Pradesh traditions are different from Maharashtra traditions. Maharashtra traditions different from Kashmir traditions. And if you say my traditions are right, your traditions are wrong, this attitude also causes many problems. Okay, this attitude, you need to work on this. You need to work on that. You need to work. If you blame, we are not judges. Keep it in mind. We are not. Even the judges have no right to immediately judge by taking the case. They need to analyze everything. They need to take the evidence of everything. They need to study. Then only they need to give the judgment. We are not the judges. By judging others wrongly, what happens? We becoming weak. The negative genes in us are activating, not them. We are weak. We are becoming weak. Okay. So keep in mind and avoid blaming others. Avoid have negative perceptions on others. And here the first practical session, which activates, which suppose the first theory part, that means immediate early genes. This benefits your improves immune system, boosts white blood cells, lessens allergies, calms the mind, lowers the stress, eases panic and anxiety, neutralizes negative energy, and support healing and vibrant health. Find your thymus using all fingers are fished. Firmly tap on your thymus 15 to 30 times. As you tap, breathe slowly in through your nose and out through your mouth. You can do it or not. We will add in perceptional breathing. No, nothing to worry. Just you see, here is the tapping. Here you can see the tapping a thumb. You can see here a tapping thumb. Check yourself. There is a thumb is there, a small enlargement of breastbone. On that you need to tap, and with a smile, with your fingertips. Don't tap hard. Don't feel that you are painful. Just you need to tap just like you are tapping on a newborn baby. Start with me. And just tap, and with a smile, close your eyes for 30 seconds. Tap, smile. Don't forget to smile. The smile prevents the negative thoughts in your mind. The tapping increases the immunity in your body and mind. How you feel? Please come to chat box and message.
Good, sir. Feeling good.
Feeling good. Very good. Anyone else?
So now I understand why we used to tap the babies to put them to sleep, no? Now I understand, sir, the
Very
concept.
good, ma'am. How you feel, ma'am?
Very good. Now I could connect. That is why, we used to do that. When
Yes,
I
yes.
used to, do that tapping, then I recalled for children what we do.
Very good, very good. Soothing, feeling better, calming. Here is the thymus gland. This is the center of, you can say this is the capital organ of all the immunity in our body. Why? As you aging, the person's aging is more, the thymus gland becomes shrinks. Newborn baby have more, and 60 years, 80 years person have a shrinked thymus gland. How to make it is again more, again enlarge this by just tapping. The more we tap with fingertips and with smile, the thymus gland will be stimulated. All these T cells, CD4 cells, which we call military black cats. Black cats of our body will be generated, produced by thymus gland. If we just tapping with smile, it will produce more black cats, more military people. So it will attack. Okay, you please invest 2 to 5 minutes per day, morning and evening. It will prevent most of the diseases and also make you calm. Okay. Can we go to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Here are some of the feedbacks which we received from the thymus tapping. Headache record, neck pain record, sinusitis record, stomach ache record, sound sleep, eye pain, and lack of concentration and instant energy. One of the beautiful of thymus tapping is, if you do the thymus tapping in the morning hours, it gives you instant energy. If you do the thymus tapping at night, it gives you instant sleep. That's a beautiful, because the body knows the body rhythm, the its rhythm, so that at night it will make you sleep fast. In mornings you do, it will give you more energy to work, to increase your productivity. Okay, this is the first practical, and next we want to go.
Sir, excuse
Yes,
me,
ma'am.
how many minutes?
I suggest you 2 to 5 minutes per day, morning and evening.
Morning, early morning 5 minutes, and before going to bed 5 minutes, sir.
Yeah, you can choose like that, and also whenever you feel stressed, you can do it again.
If we're getting any pain in our body, if we start doing that, can we
That's
do
all
that?
we will discuss in revision session, man, because you will get more practicals. After which practical we need to do, which where you can understand. In our last half hour, we'll discuss about doubts, man. Because for pains, we have
Okay, sir.
something else.
Thank you.
That's why. Here, perception and breathing, this is a second practical thing. We breathe till we die. We are adding a so we breathe till we die. So we are adding a perception to our breath. Just we are taking oxygen, as science says, but do we only take oxygen? No, we take many other gases also. Do only we exhale of carbon dioxide? No, with maximum is carbon dioxide. There is something else also we will exhale. That is that comes on the science. We are not in the science class. We are in the elevation of consciousness class. We now adding the perception to the breath, not about the oxygen or carbon dioxide. What is the perception? We need to add emotion to your breath. This perception breathing will had as of now record fever, feel of evil eye, ribs pain, knee pain, vomiting, suicide tendency, hair growth, breath problems, acute severe pains, happiness increased, many more. We got many feedbacks. How to do this perception breathing? You need to inhale your favorite God energy into your body and exhale through mouth, and all the negative energy, all the disease and discomfort going out. Minimum your 8 times. As of now, try for 7 times. Inhale your favorite God energy, and where you getting discomfort in your body or throughout your body, fill it with your divine energy, and exhale the discomforts in your body. Please do for 7 times and then give me feedback. How you feel?
Very relaxed, sir.
Relaxes. Very good. Anyone else?
Relaxed feeling only.
Yes, sir. I mean, I practice it, sir, quite often in a day.
Excellent, ma'am.
This
Please
method.
go. If you're getting relaxes, if you have any
Yeah.
pains, also the pains will reduce with this method.
Yes.
If this method is not work for pain, there are another method also will work on that. And how many times we need to do is your age, your biorhythm. That is your age. Your age decides how many times you need to do. If suppose if your age is 52, you can do 52 times at a time, or you can divide it 26 times morning, 26 times evening, like that you can also do. If you are able to have you have more time into, you feel need to practice more, you can do more than your age times also, but I suggest minimum your age times is much required your body for more oxygenator, more prana energy to get to accumulate in your body. Your age times is needed. That is your biorhythm. Now we are going to
Now,
second.
so
Yes.
sorry to interrupt. How many times, sir, you said?
Your
Biorhythm
age
was
times. Your age times.
correct. What is the that you recommend? I could not hear.
Your age. What's your age, ma'am?
52, sir.
52 times you need to do per day. Behavior related genes. This is the theory part. Theory is second part. This one. These genes will activated according to the behavior of the person. It might be if his behavior is negative, the negative genes will activated. If the behavior is positive, the negative genes of the positive genes of that behavior will be activated. Let's like exercise. If you do exercise every day, that behavior activates certain positive genes in you. If you have watching late night movies and eating uh, what we call toxic food every day, that behavior also activates certain negative genes in us. So it's all about our behavior. No religion promote these behaviors: lying, theft, cheating others, seduce others for prostitution, killing others for selfishness. No religion promote these. Why? Because in earlier times might be those the high conscious people know about this. These behaviors activates more negative genes in people, so that people will they start destruction of themselves, and they attract more diseases, more problems, more threats in their life. So they stop these behaviors, so that the human life must move to next level, next generations will healthily. Even a person have a theft behavior, it might becomes a habit to the next generation also sometimes. So we need to clear that from genetic level, these behaviors are prevented. Not only these, so these are all crimes right now. So there are certain behaviors which are not crimes, but also they are harmful. We're going to check them. That one of the behavior is not following the circadian rhythm. What is the circadian rhythm? I will give you. Before that, you see that in 2017, these three scientists got Nobel Prize in physiology and medicine to find the importance of circadian rhythm. What is circadian rhythm? Is you need to live your life according to the sun. According to the sun. If the sun rise, you need to wake up. When sun sets, as early as possible, you need to go to the bed. Sometimes we after night 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, if you go to sleep, and after 11 a.m. today Sunday, many people wake up after 11 or 10. This behavior disturbing the circadian rhythm of their body. It will causes more issues. Here you see that this circadian rhythm is saying that if you wake up at 6 a.m., the cortisol secretion begins. It will call your if you can say it's a healthy cortisol. There's unhealthy cortisol also is there, which will increases the hypertension, sugar levels. And this healthy cortisol gives you energy to deal with all the works in your day. And here you see that elevated testosterone at 9 a.m. It is natural. Now many married men are suffering with low testosterone, low sperm count. Why? Because they are disturbed the circadian rhythm. Most people going to sleep after 12 p.m. or 11 p.m. That's caused the problems. If you go to sleep 10 p.m. before 10 p.m. or 9 p.m., it works very well. And try to wake up at 6 p.m. Slowly adjust your life to manage with according to circadian rhythm. It will give your health more. Here you see that the 5 p.m. We have the greatest cardiovascular skeleton muscle strength here 5 p.m. That's why we suggested that before sunset, please do exercise, yoga, or you see there is a suggestion that Pradosha Pujas. Pradosha Pujas means which we start before sunset and after sunset. Because we have the more cardiovascular strength, skeleton strength there, the body responds very fastly, our mind responds very fastly. And here you see that the melatonin, which is cause for deep sleep, is secreted at 9 p.m. If we prevent it to going to sleep and we start a habit of waking up 9 p.m., the melatonin reduces, we don't go to sleep. If we go to sleep early only, we get these peak lymphocytes at night 2 a.m. when we will go to deep sleep. These lymphocytes are responsible for cleansing any infections in our body, including the corona. Okay, this what this all slide is saying that if we are not linked with the circadian rhythm, it also works like a crime to ourselves. We are activating negative genes in us, which in turn causes some more healthy diseases, disturbances, psychosomatic disorders. Okay, please try to adjust your life to according to the circadian rhythm. And this is the second rhythm. This is called ultradian rhythm. This word in this book, Dr. The same doctor which we refer for genes, 20-minute break. He suggests that you need in this you need to take intervals for working on a project for a long hours. Suppose you need to take intervals between every 30 minutes or every 45 minutes. You see that in schools, most of the periods are 45 minutes. 60 minutes breaks. In a Vedic hora is 60-minute break. That the hora becomes hour. And you see the 90-minute break called Rahu Kala. And 120 minutes, the meridian clock. Don't go for 120 minutes above on one project. If you are watching a movie, there is a mid break in between the movie to make you energetic. They give a break, interval in movies to get to refrain to get more energy. If you don't follow these ultradian rhythm, your physical body becomes weak. Even if you have a very good healthy mind, your physical body becomes weak. Why? Because this works according to the physical body. I know some people who meditate for 5 hours, 6 hours per day. They think they are the great achievements. No, you can observe the physical body is weak. They can't do more productivity. Because you can't see marathons or Olympic players meditating 6 hours per day. You can't see a CEOs or the billionaires who meditating 4 hours or 5 hours per day. Okay, how much time to meditate? Again, I'm saying first preference is your age minutes. That's enough. If you do perfectly, that's enough. After that, if you feel needed, you can go for 5 to 10 minutes. That's enough. Here I'm also, that's why we make it 2 hours only perception ring level 1, because we are working with only 120 minutes. If you go more than that, you need to activate, you need to disturbing your rhythm, your energy drains. You need to increase your energy fast. If you want to increase it, you need to take breaks. Even if you see the software, if you check the Google companies or Amazon companies, like big Infosys companies, they have enough breaks for their employees. If they want, they can play there, they can eat there, they can think there, they can sleep there in the office itself, because to increase their productivity. Okay, in YouTube, if you go to YouTube, you can check the Google office or Infosys office. You can check their offices, premises, how it is made. Now, this is the third one, infradian rhythm. This is taken from this book, The Science of Whole Person Healing by Rustum Roy. He is a very good friend of B.M. Hegde. B.M. Hegde, you know that Padma Vibhushan Award, awardee of India from last year. There is a saying in a Sanskrit text that Pujendra Hetu Pratimas Artava. What is the meaning of this sentence is because of the moon, the woman menstruates once a month. Most doctors doesn't believe that. There is no scientific evidence that moon can make the woman menstruate. But in this book, the Rustum Roy made a scientific analysis that the moon will affect the menstrual cycles, nervous system of man and nervous system and menstrual cycle of woman. If he showed the evidence that the cells on the gynec, the uterus, are influenced by moon cycles. If a lady doesn't take enough moonlight, her menstrual cycle will disturb. You know, olden days, there is a open terrace sleeps are there, open terrace walkings are there. They wake up early morning, still in early morning also moon will be there. And now everything is closed. They're not see the moon. They are seeing the moon in the movies. They're not seeing the moon really. And what happens, 60 to 70% girls and women have gynec issues because of lacking moon energy. And because of not only it works on menstruation, it also works on the nervous system. Here, you see, for all, moon supports the mental health. My suggestion is that every full moon, before 2 days and after 2 days, make sure you make a family dinner in an open terrace. If you have a family in an open terrace, it will activate the moon energies in you. It helps you a lot. It will balances the behaviors. I know many couples, there's a Dr. Mohan from Bangalore. He's also a PhD level, up to PhD level 3. He's there. He's a very good astrologer too. He suggested his clients who are planning for divorce, a couple, he suggested the couple to sit in moonlight to eat food. What happens? Every full moon, he suggested, within 2 months, 2 full moons, all their blocks are dissolved and they become union again. They cancel their divorce. That's how the moonlight works. It's a natural. There are three healers, 3 doctors. We are underestimated them. They, without taking any fees from us, they will heal us. They will protect us. They will give immunity for us. Those 3 are sunlight, moonlight, and firelight. Okay, we'll discuss about firelight too soon. These 3 rhythms we need to follow. And the third category, genes. This is called experience-related genes, also called activity-related genes. This means these are 2 ways. Number 1 is if you are experiencing something, that experience gives you activate these genes. Just like, for example, let's take, if you are watching a movie, that movie is horror movie. That horror movie gives you fear. That fear activate, that experience of fear activates certain genes. Or if you are listening to Bhagavata, you are listening to the Vishnu avatars, and that experience also activates certain genes. In horror movie case, the negative genes will be activated. In Bhagavata case, positive genes will be activated, depend upon your perception. That's why even this experience is like that. Even sometimes activity based genes like that. Sometimes there's a stimulation to help others, to protect us. So working in marriages, to helping in marriages, helping in construction and buildings, helping in like that in last year Corona time, many people go to highways and help the people who are migrants. Like that activity which suddenly do activity which it doesn't done in the initial days. There is a new activity which you done that helps activate genes, positive genes in you. These genes is responsible for the stem cells. You know, stem cells. The stem cells, the more the stem cells, the more the healing, the more young you are. Suppose there is a skin tearing skin is there that need to heal fast, you need to increase your stem cells. If there is a if there is any accident done that needs to heal fast, means they need to increase the stem cells. Naturally, the bone fracture healed in 3 to 4 weeks. If the stem cells are right, if there is no stem cells, it may take 3 to 4 months. Sometimes take a 1 or 2 years. There is no stem cells. The stem cells can be increased by neurogenesis. Neurogenesis caused by these two things. Here, once if you activate those genes, you will get stem cells. To stem cells, we need neurogenesis. For neurogenesis, we need first and second methods. So to stimulate these genes, we need to increase our memory, or we need to have good ending stories. You see that our Narendra Modi sir, who is more than 75 years age, he is not holding any stick to walk. He doesn't feel any knee pain to walk stairs. Yes or no? Why? And also he has very good memory. Even he can memorize what happened 40 years back. And such a memory makes him more stem cells. That's why he's working hard, even 77 years. Many people not working even 50 years of age with unhealthy bodies. He is becoming healthy, and he's traveling a lot throughout the countries with a healthy mind and healthy body by increasing his memory. If you see the person have increasing memory, they have naturally increasing stem cells. This is one of the easiest way. If you are unable to increase your memory, the second one is much easier way. That is good ending stories. Good ending. If a person is in suffering, add good ending stories to them. It will stimulate certain positive genes in them. That's why if you observe, if you study some Puranas or stories, testimonies, you observe that more they start reading the Puranas or Bhagavatas, Satcharitra, Dattatreya Charitra, like that, they observe that after reading them, there is a healing happens in them. Why the healing happens? Some say it is only their belief. Yeah, the scientific explanation of that belief is the good ending stories activates the positive genes in us. Our mind doesn't need, they are the real stories or imaginated stories. We doesn't need that. It is the truth or imaginated. We only need that it's good or bad. If those are good ending stories, our mind takes them and it will activate the positive genes in us. Okay, so that's why every vrata has stories. Every Satyanarayana Vrata, Varalakshmi Vrata, Varalakshmi Vrata is famous in August, in this August Ravana Masa. Every vrata have stories. Even Ganesh Vrata, next month I think we have Ganesh Vrata, Ganesh Chaturthi. Why? Those stories influence our genes and activate positive genes. This was somewhat known by our ancient sages. That's why they made like this. Let's think that every day, are you giving good ending stories to your mind, or you are giving good ending stories to your family? If you are not giving good ending stories to your mind, means you are making yourself sick. Because naturally negative ending stories are more, bad ending stories are more. You see the corona, during corona, there are many good ending stories are there. There are many bad ending stories are also there. If you focus on the good ending stories, that helps to come out of corona very fast, or any other problems also. If you focus on bad ending stories, we are attracting more that. Okay, this is the theory part of this. Now, this is the
Sir, one question, sir. Sir,
Yes,
how to increase the memory, sir?
by practice.
What, sir?
By practice.
Practice. Okay.
By practice. Increasing of memory is by practice. Just you need to work out what you had done from last 24 hours every day. That also increases your memory. Okay. And this is the third practical thing. This is called Jaladipam. This is you see that our chromosomes, chroma means colorful zones. Our scientists find certain colors in our chromosome DNA level. They are made of photons. If these photons are disturbed with the negative unprocessed emotions or limiting beliefs or karma or intentions of soul blueprint, they influence all at the chromosome level. Again, they influence to our body and to mind, and again they will again return to our chromosome level. What you are saying that in our body there are photons, those photons called by biophotons. And these biophotons influence our body. Here we are making a small technique which balances our biophotons in our body very fast. That is taking a glass bowl like this, fill with 70% water, 30% oil. Go for gingerly oil in these seasons. Go for coconut oil in summer season. Or if you have more heat, go with coconut oil. And have a wick and let it. This is the Jaladeepam. There is no directions. You can keep in anything. My suggestion is keep it in your bedroom at night times. If we lack of biophotons in our body suffers. Our body weakens. Okay, the biophotons need to comes from sun, moon, food, water, air. 5 things are there for stimulating the biophotons. Among that, we are adding the fire thing. This is made by not me. These are already ancient people are made this. We are moderating it. That's it. If you are keeping the bedroom as that, the fire light falls on your body on the bed, because that's the only place we stay in one place more than 6 hours. That is in bedroom. Rest of the hours we are in wandering stage. Just we sit for half an hour or 1 hour, even 2 hours while watching movie. But in more than 6 hours we stay on the bed. If you keep a Jaladeep in bedroom and make sure the light falls on the bed, it works like a light therapy. The insomnia will go on, the pains will be gone. The human beings are healthy because free flow of biophotons, less healthy. We are light bodies. Jaladeepam and JSW means Jaladeepam sacred water fills the deficient biophotons in us, thus we get healed fast. The 70% water in the Jaladeepam works like a sacred water. It heals any pain. Here are the some of the
English మాట్లాడుతుంది.
here Jaladeepam feedback, some of the Jaladeepam feedbacks. It gives peace of mind, control over emotions, insomnia reduces, babies crying with unknown cause at night times, especially. If you keep a Jaladeepam, they doesn't cry at night times. Helps you business growth. If you keep a Jaladeepam at your business area, it increases your business growth. No theft happens during Jaladeepam. Get right tenants for house. There is no not getting tenants. And if you want to sell any house, keep a Jaladeepam there. You will get very good deal by selling that house. Solves misunderstandings. No quarrels at home. 800 members got increase of vision by Trataka. Trataka means by watching the fire element in Jaladeepam more than 5 minutes per day. Healthy photons spread into home naturally. This works a lot. In the water, the Jaladeepam sacred water, it reduces the pains by applying, reduces tumors, reduces nail fungus, toothache reduces, leukorrhea reduces. Leukorrhea means white discharge. Amenorrhea, excess discharge. Is insomnia, burns of diabetic people. You know, the burns of diabetic people, any wound of diabetic people is unable to heal fast. But if you are applying the Jaladeepam sacred water, they will heal very fast. Feet cracks, constipation, warts, burns, BP, dandruff, etc. Many more. We have more than 3,000 plus testimonies about Jaladeepam sacred water. You will get. Just these are free of cost. These are the medicines we make at home. Even you can keep this water to any plant, the plant will flourish very fast. Yesterday also someone posted in our group that their water lily plant grown after doing meditation. And there are many testimonies in a group by Jaladeepam pouring Jaladeepam water, many plants are grown. Even you can apply these. You can apply these on pets also, and dogs, buffaloes also works. Here is the on private question, personal question. Would floating candles in water have same effect? No, the candle itself have wax. The wax is polluting. 2000 years back, wax is different from the wax we are using right now. Today's wax causes more pollution in home. You know that there is a survey that the indoor pollution is more than outdoor pollution. Now the Delhi and Mumbai have more pollution, we all know that is outdoor, but indoor pollution is more. Okay, so to reduce the indoor pollution, Jal Deepam helps. Don't drink this water, okay, because the oil content will be there. Don't drink water. Just keep, how to keep in Jal Deepam in room, just keep it. Take a glass bowl, 70% water, 30% oil, add a wick and just let it. That's it. If you yeah, you can add a, to protect from air, you can add a chimney, glass chimney to protect it. Now we are going to the Q-fill meditation. Okay. Now this is the fourth practical thing. This is the one of the beautiful meditation, very simple meditation. If you invest some time for this, and if you do more, your family problems will, disputes will be solved very fast. And how to do these beautiful meditations. If you will return to your source of light, you will know that the true divinity inside you by practicing this. First you need to do is no intentions. In this meditation, you need to stop your intentions, no sankalpas, no thoughts, no expectations. From this meditation, connect a thread from your heart to each person's heart of your family members. Just you need to visualize this from your heart, is that is connecting to every family member of your heart, your family. Visualize your favorite God blessing you and others who are connected with thread. You need to feel that your favorite God is blessing you and everyone who you are connected with your thread. And chant, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, without lip and tongue movement, and with a smile to your favorite God. That's it. You can chant any number of times. This is beautiful. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And some of the testimonials you see, wife and husband relationships will become better, or the family reunion happens, issue with in-laws solved, return delayed loan amount, normal delivery in many cases happen. Even during my wife case also normal will happen. On deathbed patients, prevention of surgeries, prawns, cows, dogs, cats, rats, bats, cockroaches, lizards, mosquitoes, trees, missing items, traffic, etc. If you want to stop the mosquito attacks in your home, just do Q-fill meditation with mosquitoes. No intentions. The mosquitoes know what you're doing. If you want make your home is free of cockroaches, just do Q-fill meditation with cockroaches. No intentions. If you want make you the rats out of your house, make sure this do. That will go now without intentions. Okay, just let's we practice once. Okay, close your eyes, sit straight, sit in a comfortable position. I will guide you, please go through it. Close your eyes, sit in a comfortable position with a smile. Visualize that from your heart a thread is connecting through the heart of your spouse. From your heart, connecting a thread to the heart of all the family members of your family. From your heart, connect a thread to your parents. From your heart, connect a thread to your siblings and their family members. From your heart, connect to a thread to the parents of your wife or your spouse. Connect to a thread from your heart to the siblings of your spouse. Siblings and their family members. And if you have grandparents, please connect to them. if your spouse has grandparents, please connect to them. If you have grandchildren, please connect to them. Now visualize your favorite God is blessing all of them, including you. And just chant, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Without lip movement, tongue movement, and with a smile to your favorite God. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Don't forget to smile. Your stopping smile means you are attracting negative thoughts. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Slowly open your eyes. Give me your feedback.
Sir, one doubt.
Yes, sir.
Sir, do we have to visualize the complete web of connections throughout the?
No.
No,
No need,
sir?
sir. No need, sir.
Okay, sir.
No need.
Thank you.
Yeah, here is one of the private question. My brother missed from home since 40 years. Can I do QFill? Yes, even you missed your brothers, you need to connect because they are the siblings. If they are somewhere else also, we need to do. Okay, peaceful. Even you hate your siblings, also you need to do. Even if you hate your in-laws, also you need to do because they are in-laws. Because your spouse are made from them.
Sir, what we have to visualize during this meditation, sir? Actually, we were like God blessing, or we have to concentrate on the 4 sentences you told.
Just you are saying 4 sentences to God. God is blessing you all.
Yes, sir.
Sir, one question, please.
Yes, ma'am. Swati, ma'am.
Hi, sir. Sir, I'm feeling like while doing, I was feeling heavy-headed on my forehead.
Ma'am, your voice have disturbance, ma'am.
Heavy-headed. I was feeling heavy-headed.
Yeah, that's a symptom of negative genes, ma'am. If you do the second time, third time, you doesn't feel that. Just drink some water and do another 2 minutes.
Okay, sir, and for oneself, doing for oneself, so how will we do it? Like just simply chanting, no need of sending the thread means for oneself.
No, I don't suggest doing for one person, ma'am. You need to connect with the people. Without
No,
social,
no,
Yes,
no,
ma'am.
for oneself, for myself only. If I want to do pupil meditation.
No, that's what I don't suggest.
Okay, that way. For everyone.
Without others, we can't live individually. We are social beings.
Okay. So then if we are having some problem, like if I am having pain on my body, I
Wait,
can't
wait.
do for myself.
We have another one.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. If you have tears, if you have pains, if you have sighing, if you have hiccups, if you have sleep tendency, these are all the symptoms of negative genes. Nothing to worry. After doing second time, third time, doesn't feel all these symptoms. These are the symptoms which we all, these are the testimonies which we all discussed. You can do the same way, you can connect to everything. Don't do for
Excuse me,
individuals.
sir.
Yes, ma'am.
We've been doing this for a few days now. I just want to know, is there any minimum amount of time? Is it the same, the age time, or is we can do it for as much? For example, if I'm going to work, I am doing for all the people with whom I am working. So I can do it immediately for a few seconds or few minutes and then start the work.
Yes, sir, it works.
Okay. So if, suppose I'm sitting at home and doing for family members, is there any minimum amount of time I should do it?
No, nothing.
As and when we want, we can do it.
Yes, even you can do for 10 seconds also it works.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Just suppose, let's say, have an example. If you are getting a phone call from someone, just connect to the phone call and do Q-Film meditation for just 3 to 4 seconds and then pick up the call. You will hear the only positive news. Okay, even at a few seconds also works. Now the perceptual tapping. It works to healing pains, disturbances, and fever, cold, cough, and many issues, many physical symptoms can be healed with this technique. Okay. Let's start how to do this perceptual tapping. This is a statement which we used. Here are some of the feedbacks. It reduces the allergies, autoimmune disorders, chronic disorders, all types of fears, autism and ADHD, all types of blood-related diseases, and many more. These are all. These are only very few testimonies. There are many more testimonies also there. This science is backed up with acupuncture and neuro-linguistic programming, and how to do. Just look at me. Keep this sentence in your mind. Even though in this blank, you need to add your disease or your discomfort. Even though I have headache, even though I had cold, even though I had fear of COVID, even though I had tension, even though I have discomfort with that person, I deeply and completely accept myself, forgive myself, and love myself. This is a statement which we need to chant while tapping on karate chop. What is the karate chop? This is the karate chop. In karate, they use this one as a karate chop. My dominating hand is the right hand. That's why I'm using the left hand to chop, to tap on the left. You can also use like that. Tap on this. Just in this part, tap on this way, this hand under the little finger on this, and tap like this, like we do the timeless tapping. Just like this, you do the tapping. Don't count the tapping. Count the statement what you are saying. Suppose let's take the neck pain. Neck pain. Even though I had the neck pain, I deeply and completely accept myself, forgive myself, love myself. Even though I have the neck pain, I deeply and completely accept myself, forgive myself, love myself. Even though I have the neck pain, I deeply and completely accept myself, forgive myself, and love myself. And from here, the statement will change. We need to, don't say that my pain need to go on the don't work on the symptoms, work on the organ. Let's say my neck is healthy. God is making my neck healthy. God making my neck healthy. Saying like that in present tense only. God making my neck healthy. God making my neck healthy. God making my neck healthy. And here, both eyebrows point. God making my neck healthy. 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 3 times. And end of the eyebrows. God making my neck healthy. 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 And under eyes. God making my neck healthy. 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 And under nose. Here we change the statement. Thank you, God, for making my neck healthy. Thank you, God, for making my neck healthy. Thank you, God, for making my neck healthy. And here, thank you, God, for making my neck healthy. 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 And collarbone. Thank you, God, for making my neck healthy. Thank you, God, for making my neck healthy. Thank you, God, for making my neck healthy. And underarm. Thank you, God, for making my neck healthy. In underarm means it comes under ribs. Under ribs, you can chant like this. Thank you, God, for making my neck healthy. Just 2 times. Again, come to the top. Thank you, God, for making my neck healthy. Thank you, God, for making my neck healthy. You can use both hands or one hand. And thank you, God, for making my neck healthy. Now, 3 times inhalation, your divine energy to that organ, and exhalation, the negative energy of that organ for 3 times. Suppose we are working on neck, so I inhale divine energy to the neck. Exhale all the blockages. Just I'm visualizing all the blockages are gone out from the neck. This is the tapping. This is the one cycle of tapping. Suppose we work on the neck pain. Now we need to check that how much change in neck pain occurred. If still it is not, the neck pain doesn't come to 0, we need to do again. Okay. Within 3 to 4 times of cycles, the pains will be reduces fast. Here is a personal question. Diabetes, how to do diabetes? We have to tap God making my pancreas healthy. Like this we need to do. Yes, ma'am, we need to do like that. There are many methods also. In level 2 we discuss pancreas healing protocol is there. You can go with it. Complete healthy, complete recovery of diabetes happens for many people. We have practically recovered more than 100 people from diabetes. Okay. And now that's why I suggest that don't go with the disease names. You need to forget the disease names. Until we remember the disease name, they will exist in our subconscious. Forget a disease name. Instead of saying diabetes, you can say pancreas imbalance or sugar imbalance or insulin imbalance. Okay, don't name that. Suppose some say migraine, headache. Just say that it's a headache. Don't label with a disease name. If you label it a disease name, it's hard to forget it. Until we don't leave the name, it will hold in our mind. Cancer. Instead of using the cancer, you can say cellular disturbance, cellular imbalance. It will help them heal fast.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I am Sai Prasanna speaking. Sir, regarding we have to say, you are telling that regarding that diabetes, we have to say pancreas, no? So I have to give tapping like my pancreas are imbalanced, like that I have to give, sir?
First, you need to check on the pancreas problem or insulin problem.
Okay, okay. Regarding means
Or genetic problem.
Okay, okay.
First, you need to the root cause. Then
Okay.
even you tried like this also, it helps you.
Okay.
There
So
is
the
no
pancreas
side effects.
imbalance.
Here you can only, the only side effect of perceptional tapping is it doesn't feel any result, any change.
Okay, sir.
Nothing side effects, it will happen. It may work or may not work. It doesn't cause any illness. It
Okay.
only work with the right words we use.
Yeah. Okay.
And in right point we tap.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Sir, for fibromyalgia, what is this?
Fibromyalgia is a disorder of nervous system. and muscular system, right?
Okay.
You need to forget the name first and first focus on organs to strengthen. And it also works on autoimmune disorder. So you need to increase the gut bacteria.
So what will we say then while tapping them?
Yeah, and the nervous system must be, thank you God for making your nervous system and gut bacteria healthy.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Carpal tunnel syndrome, what we will say, sir?
Nervous
This is
system, ma'am.
also nervous system.
Nervous system. Those are names for the doctors for their exams, not for us. We are a common people. We are not writing exams on the disease names and disease symptoms. We want healing, want better. So we need to focus on the healthy nature, healthy things. Okay. Suppose if you have a pet in your home, let's take name the pet like say like puppy. If you say puppy don't come, puppy don't come, puppy don't come, what the puppy does? What the dog do?
It'll come. It'll come.
Yeah. Same way we are saying disease don't come, disease don't come.
Okay, sir.
So that's why I don't name the disease first thing. Work on the organs level. You work on the organs, what happens? Nervous system healthy, gut bacteria healthy, if you say like this, if you use the words like this, it starts healing very fast.
Okay, sir. Even for thyroid, we should not name the thyroid.
Thyroid is an organ name. It's a gland. So no problem.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
That's just good.
Okay.
Suppose in other countries, they don't, in India, we are lucky for that. We are using the thyroid imbalance only. In other countries, the Hodgkin's disease, they name different disease names for the thyroid disorders also. So
Okay.
hard. Now, what is the biorhythm? Your age is your biorhythm. Your biorhythm is sum of sun rotations around Earth since your birth. That is your age. So it is your age number. Heal yourself by using your biorhythm. To leap into prosperous and healthy life, invest biorhythm minutes per day till biorhythm days. Suppose if your age is 40 minutes per day, 40 days. It will start your transformation biologically you. Here is one of the message. Sir, I was having a headache since morning but now while doing tapping with you, all of a sudden I am feeling better. Thank you so much. Very good, ma'am. That's how the tapping works. Very good. This is the pH level 1. It's finished. You can spread the word of truth and qualify for pH level 2 by sharing your testimonies. And right now, we have another 30 minutes time. Now we work on the doubts.
Sir, how to use biorhythm?
Your age means, ma'am.
Means age number. What will we do?
What's your age?
44.
You invest 44 minutes for practicing pH methods per day for 44 days.
Sir.
You can take intervals.
Okay, but using intervals we can do.
Yeah, you can do intervals.
Thank you, sir.
Hello. Someone? Yeah, someone asked about book names.
Hello?
Galaxy Tab. I don't know the real name. You can have this one.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
సార్ మా నాన్నకి హెడేక్ తగ్గిపోయింది సార్.
ఇప్పుడా?
హెడేక్ తగ్గిపోయింది సార్.
వెరీ గుడ్ మా, వెరీ గుడ్ మా, వెరీ గుడ్.
సార్ మీరు అన్ని క్లాసెస్ లో మా ఫ్యామిలీ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పండి సార్.
తప్పకుండా సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఖచ్చితంగా సార్, మొత్తం 3 తగ్గిపోయినాయి సార్.
వెరీ గుడ్ సార్, వెరీ గుడ్ సార్.
కోల్డ్ హెడ్ మొత్తం తగ్గిపోయినాయి. దానికి నేను చెప్పేది మన మీరు చెప్తా ఉన్నారు వెన్నెల్లో తిరిగే దాని గురించి. మా అమ్మాయి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పండి సార్, మీరు అందరికి అర్థం అయింది.
అరుణ గారు మీరే చెప్పండి మా.
లేదు సార్, లేదు సార్, చెప్తా, అమ్మాయి చెప్పిస్తాను. ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఉంది అమ్మాయి.
ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేసి, ఐ విల్ ట్రాన్స్లేట్.
హలో సార్,
మా చెప్పండి. Happy, wonderful Independence Day,
సార్
ma.
నాకు చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఫేస్ చేశాను. మీ దగ్గరికి వచ్చినాక అన్ని సాల్వ్ అయినాయి. నాకు చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ అండి.
Very
6
good,
months
ma.
నుంచి నాకు పీరియడ్స్ రాకపోతే మీరు వెన్నెల్లో తిరగమన్నారు. వెంటనే వచ్చింది సార్. చాలా టెస్టులు చేయించుకున్నాను. ఏది నాకు రాలేదు సార్ పీరియడ్స్. మీ వల్ల జరిగింది, వెన్నెల్లో తిరగడం వల్ల. చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ సార్.
Very good,
మా
ma. What?
నాన్న హెల్త్ అంతా కూడా మీరే సార్ అంతా బాగు చేసింది.
Thank you, ma.
ఇప్పుడు
Thank you.
72 years లో కూడా ఆయన రికవర్ అయ్యారంటే మీ గైడెన్స్ సార్, అంతా మీ మెడిసినే.
Thank you. Thank
ఎందుకంటే
you.
ఇంగ్లీష్ మందు వాడితే నోరు అతుక్కోపోయేది. ఈ మెడిసిన్ వాడితే సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ లేవు సార్.
Thank you. Thank you, ma.
మన హెడేక్, కోల్డ్, ఫీవర్ అన్ని తగ్గిపోయాయి సార్. చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ సార్.
Very good, ma. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, what she told is she doesn't have periods for 6 months. After walking in moonlight, she got period in 1 or 2 days. And her
That's
father
good.
is 72 years. He had cold, cough, and headache, and constipation. He recovered with the structured water in a day, and with the tapping, the headache also recovered. What is structured water? Means you need to move the water. You need to stir the water for 30 times with spoon, or you shake the water bottle for 30 times and drink. That is called structured water. Every half an hour you drink half glass of water. It will hydrate your body. Most of the disease will be gone very fast.
So please explain structured water process, friend,
Take
please.
a glass of water, spoon, rotate for a sip, stir for 30 times.
Okay.
Okay.
Without intention or just stirring only?
Yes, you can do the Q-flip with the water.
Okay, sir. Sir, and for one question regarding Jal Deepam, we can place Jal Deepam in all the rooms of the house, or in one room it will be okay?
One room purpose is different, ma'am.
Okay.
If you first to focus on the physical healing, then the house healing. First you need the human body needs. So first is bedroom. Second is wherever you need. Even in olden days, there is no electricity. They even keep the oil lamps in bathrooms also.
Yes, sir.
So some people think that keeping a oil lamp is inauspicious in bedroom. Don't think like that. Before electricity, even bedrooms also have oil lamps. Even all the Muslims, all the Christians in the world also use the oil lamps before electricity. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
don't
I just
feel that
wanted.
it's a ritual. It's not ritual. It's a scientific basis.
I wanted that will create positive vibration around the house, keeping in all the rooms. That's why I asked.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, the more than positive, it cleanses the negative. That's how the positive will come, which is forbidden.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Sir,
Sir, please explain that still water, sir.
Structured water. Take a glass of water and stir with a spoon for 30 times while doing Q-fill meditation with that water, and drink that water. If you drink this half glass water every hour, that's enough to heal many diseases.
Okay, sir. It's a clockwise or
Water bottle,
anti-clockwise, sir.
shake the
Still-
water bottle for 30 times while doing Q-fill meditation.
Thank you.
Sir, one stirring is sufficient, sir, without intention?
Q-fill meditation is enough, ma'am. No intention is needed.
No. Just taking, just only stirring with 30 times only with that spoon.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That means we have to thread with water. Means connect the thread with water.
Yes, ma'am. We connect from heart to the water and do the Q-fill meditation. Chant, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you, to the God who is blessing the water and you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, how many
sir,
minutes?
Jaladeepam you said night or any time, sir, because bedroom you said night we have to keep. Any other time, sir?
Any other time you can keep, ma'am, but we have the sunlight or electricity light will be no, but it will affect less. But you can keep any place. Suppose if you want to sell in a house, you can keep that area.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we have been keeping Jaladeepam. I have a small doubt. After the oil is used up by the wick, it goes off. So, can we add more oil there itself, or we replace the whole Jaladeepam again? Sometimes it burns for about say 8 hours.
Use that water, ma'am. That
Yeah,
water works as a medicine water. You can use for plants. You can apply on water body, and you can apply on hair to increase the hair.
Yeah. what
Ah.
I'm asking, suppose now that you gave the idea of chimney, will do that. Sometimes because of breeze, it goes off. I can relight it, no, till the full oil is absorbed.
Yeah, you can relate it, no problem.
No problem. Because we are using Jaladipam water, sir, since past few days, we are finding very good result for bath, everything we are using. For
Very
plant oil, we are using, sir. We just started.
Very good, very good, very good.
సార్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు మాది ఒక ఇల్లు ఉంది సార్, అక్కడ రెంట్ కి వచ్చేకి మేము రెనోవేట్ చేయాలి ఆ ఇల్లు. సో జలదీపం నేను అక్కడ వెళ్ళి నైట్ పెట్టాలంటే కొంచెం ఇబ్బంది.
మీరు పగలు పెట్టచ్చు మా, మీకు నైట్ మనముకి నైట్ ఉంటే ఆ బాడీ మన మీద పడుతుంది, మనం నైట్ చూస్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం.
సరే,
పగలనే మీరు పెట్టేయచ్చు.
పెట్టచ్చు.
Actually, I want to share one thing. Opposite to our house, our office, there is a building. They want to sell that building from last 5 years. But in 2019, up to 2019, it became 3 years. They are unable to sold out. A mediator came, who is our practitioner of pH methods. He suggested to keep a Jaladipam in their building to get the sold out. Within 15 days, they got the inquiry from Dubai. And they gave the token, and from third month they gave full amount and registered with more than the market price. Yeah, that's how the Jaladipam works.
So that means it should be done with the intention.
No,
Jaladipam.
no intentions, no intentions.
Ah,
Here, in level 1, there is no intentions. Only pH level tapping only. We request God to make that organ healthy. That's it. In any other part, no intentions.
Fine.
Because there is a subconscious and superconscious mind that is called God. God knows everything.
సార్
Yes, ma'am.
సార్ మా అమ్మాయికి 4 years నుంచి స్టమక్ పెయిన్ ఉండింది సార్.
Yes, ma'am.
మా 4 years నుంచి తిరగని డాక్టర్ లేరు సార్.
Okay.
అమ్మాయికి ఇంకా అపెండిసైటిస్ ఆపరేషన్ కూడా చేసేసారు సార్.
Okay.
తర్వాత ఒక 2 months బ్యాక్ మీ దగ్గరికి వచ్చాను సార్. వచ్చిన తర్వాత 2 డ్రాప్స్ ఇచ్చారు సార్, మీరు వేయమని రోజు రెగ్యులర్ గా. అమ్మాయికి ఏ ఫుడ్ తిన్నా గానీ అరగదు, ఏది తిన్నా గానీ కడుపు నొప్పి వచ్చేస్తుండేది. ఇప్పుడు అమ్మాయికి అంత బాగైపోయింది సార్. అసలు 1 month లో మొత్తం అసలు స్టమక్ పెయిన్ అనేదే లేదు సార్. మీ దగ్గరికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత క్యూర్ అయిపోయింది సార్. చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ సార్.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Her daughter have 4 years suffering from stomach pain, also done through appendicitis. But the 4 years of stomach pain not recovered, but with our medicine recovered within a month. That was she is showing her gratitude.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Thank you, ma. Those are the medicines. When next Sunday we have the flower remedies and medicines thing, you can also join that group, and you can also learn the other healing methods of through flowers and herbs, how we can grow, how we can heal ourselves. To heal, the first step is we need to forget the disease name.
Thank you, sir, giving the very wonderful subject. Sir. Really very happy, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me, sir.
Thank you, sir. God
Ma'am.
bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, first thing I should tell you are God sent, sir. Meer oka angel.
Just like you, ma'am.
No, sir, you are doing such a wonderful, great service to humanity, sir.
Thank you.
Great service, sir. I am really overwhelmed, touched.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir,
Thank you.
sir, I want to share regarding Jaladipam, sir. Shall I share with you, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can share to everyone, ma'am. No problem.
Okay, thank you, sir. Actually, ఏంటంటే జలదీపము నేను ఫస్ట్ 2 days పెట్టినప్పుడు ఓన్లీ 2 hours వెలిగింది సార్. సో థర్డ్ డే ఏం చేశానంటే నేను బెడ్రూమ్ లో జలదీపం పెట్టాను, ఏసీ ఆన్ చేసాం వితౌట్ ఎనీ సపోర్ట్ ఆఫ్ చిమ్నీ ఆల్సో, ఫ్యాన్ ఆల్సో అలాగే తిరుగుతుంది సార్. నైట్ 9 o'clock నేను జలదీపం పెడితే మార్నింగ్ 6:30 వరకు అలాగే వెలిగింది సార్. May I know the cost regarding that one? I want to know about you, sir.
Ma'am, why sometimes Jaladipam lamp on for more than, I know some in one case it's on for more than 27 hours.
Okay.
Why it happens is because of the oxygen, high quality oxygen, high quality positive energy in that place.
Okay.
It's a good sign. It's a good sign. Please continue. Sometimes, sometimes if you're any negative person come to the house, the Jaladipam will get off automatically.
Okay.
So
Thank
we
you, sir.
increase the
Thank you.
gel deepam and cleans the area.
Okay, sir.
I want to share one more one of the example here. I think here not, yeah, this one perception breathing. This is the feel of every life. The second testimony, a lady of 50 years ago, she got Ardhanarishwara Vyadi. You heard about that Vyadi?
No, sir.
It's also part of fibromyalgia. This Ardhanarishwara Vyadi means not Ardhanarishwara. Ardhanarishwara is God name. Lord Shiva. Ardhanarishwara Vyadi is on our physical body. Only one part of physical body we have severe pain. The rest of the rest of half will be healthy. That's why this is the name given by the Ayurvedic practitioners. And she tried many things. She doesn't recover, and with some reason she came to me. As she asked, I inquired why. I asked that what your reason, what you feel the reason behind this disease. She feel that it is by black magic. This is by black magic or evil eye. We know the science of what is the black magic, what are all things, but they are not much educated. They are unable to learn new things also. So I don't want to go to the science of black magic or black eye. So I want to change her to and heal her. That is my priority. So I asked her to who you worship more. I love Narasimha Swami. She told. My next question is, do you believe that Narasimha Swami can nullify or cancel any black magic? That's my question. Her answer, yes, sure. Narasimha Swami can do anything very fast, and he is very anger on these like people. Then I use her perception of Narasimha Swami, that I suggest that breathe the Narasimha Swami energy through your breath, inhale the air of Narasimha Swami energy and feel that the painful area is filled with Narasimha Swami energy, and exhale through mouth, all the pain is going out. The Narasimha Swami inside your body, throwing out all the negative energy from your body. I suggest for 7 times. After 7 times, she recovered 35%. I gave some structured water and make her do again 7 times. Now 75% recovered. And I make her next time 12 times. I make her do. You know what happens? She recovered completely, no pain at all. Without any medicine, she recovered. Why? Because changing the perception using the truth of breathing. That's how we recovered her. She doesn't get the pain again also. But I suggest to do of her age minutes per day, age times per day of perception breathing for next 1 week. She doesn't get any Ardhanarishwara symptoms. We doesn't use any disease name also in that. We use the divine name. That's it. That's how it all works. I will share another testimony. I think it will help you. That is with Q-field meditation. There is a family in Chirala of Ongole district. Mother, father, son, daughter-in-law. There is a quarrel happened. Son and daughter-in-law went off from house 3 months back. They doesn't have communication. Parents doesn't have communication with the son or daughter-in-law, where they went, where they are staying. No phone call. Even they tried their calls also, they are not taking their calls. In Chirala, when I had done in this meeting, they came to the meeting. They also started practicing Q-field meditation. Just 5 minutes. Morning, afternoon 5 minutes. We had done morning. Afternoon 5 minutes. We had done night 5 minutes. Next day morning 5 minutes. Next day afternoon 5 minutes. Next day evening 5 minutes. By third day, their son and daughter came to us.
Excellent.
And they say sorry, forgiveness, asking for forgiveness, and they stay with their parents. That's how this works. And recently also, I think in Hyderabad, a 12-year daughter missing. She need to return by 6 p.m. She not returned. So after 8 p.m., they all inquired. After 8 p.m., they go to police and give a complaint and start inquiring every house, everywhere. She's not there. But next morning, no trace of the girl. They started giving ads and Facebook and WhatsApp promotions to trace the goal. It didn't get any information. One of our PH practitioners go to their home and make her lead the Jaldipam, make her do Jaldipam with the, so make her do Q-film meditation with the goal. Within 3 hours, the goal returned back to home.
Oh.
And,
Wow, that's great.
like this, we can't guess how it happens. That happens. That will happen.
Correct, correct. Because you are connecting with your heart, no, sir. And you are invoking for the blessings of your divine now.
Yes,
God,
ma'am.
whomever you
That's
are.
yes, ma'am. That's how it's working.
That is
Suppose
what-
if the dogs are barking at night, you do the Q-film meditation, dogs will be silent very fast.
Yes, sir. I agree.
Yeah. That's how the beautiful method of Q-film meditation God given us. If you use more, you will observe most of changes are on. Okay.
We should connect the thread to the dog also, is it, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Very, very grateful for your wonderful session. Can't thank you. It is very helpful, amazing, easy to enlightening session. Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Thank you so very much.
Thank you very much, sir.
I don't know how to thank you.
you, sir.
Lovely
Thank you.
session.
You are
for sharing wonderful subjects, sir.
You are above human being. You are an
Thank you. Thank
amazing
you.
human.
Thank you for your.
Thank you.
God bless you, sir. God
forward.
bless.
Definitely God, and will bless
Thank you,
you.
ma'am. Thank you. Thank you all.
Very wonderful session, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Forward to giving many testimonies.
We look forward to give you more testimonials. in the
Yes,
coming-
sir. We will.
Please, sir. Please, sir. Please do and please qualify for next levels up to 7 levels. I hope everyone qualify and be elevated.
We are lucky people, sir. We connected with you.
Correct.
I'm also lucky, ma'am.
Blessings are there for all of us, sir.
Thank you,
God
ma'am. Thank you.
connected.
Really, very good subject, sir. Really, I'm feeling very, very, very happy.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah. Anyone have any more doubts? We'll clarify and close the session.
Sir, I need regarding the structured water. Once again, can you please tell me, sir?
Which
I
one?
want to know the structured water. We have.
Structured water. For
Yes.
another question is weight loss. Okay. Structured water is you. So the science behind structured water is you might remember about your parents or your mother. If they use, they will poured out all the leftover water of before day at morning. Yes or no? And they recollect the water again. Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Why? Because yes. Imma? Okay. Why they pour out everything leftover water of before day is the water which stayed for 12 hours without moving causes all diseases. Water which is not moving stayed for 12 hours will cause more disease. If that water stayed at night without moving, it causes more diseases.
Okay.
Okay, even the copper water which we keep aside to the our bed, night might need to fill before night, not morning. Only less than 2 hours it might be there. That's why we keep the we store the water in some pots. We'll pour out and recollect it, and we recollect the water from the moving water, like wells. In the wells the water moves. The rivers water moves. The moving water gives us health. Unmoving water causes stagnant water causes disease. Suppose we have a water bottle. Suppose I have a water bottle. If this water is stagnant without moving, so I'm not supposed to drink this water. So I want to make this water means it became unstructured water. That is stagnant water. I need to make into structured water. So moving water. So I need shake well. If I do Q-film meditation, my positive perceptions also will add into the water. So it works very well. You understood?
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay. And second thing is, second question is weight loss. Weight loss, we need to understand the root cause of weight loss. Weight loss might be cause of hereditary, might be cause of craving, might be cause of sitting job, might be cause of adrenaline stress. If you know the root cause of weight gain, then weight loss will be easy. Sometimes thyroid also causes weight gain. So we need to know the root cause. Okay, that's why even the structured water also, structured water, Q-field meditation, keeping a Jal Deepam also helps to make them weight loss very fast. But if you go to the root cause, it helps you heal faster. God bless you, sir, for your selfless healing work. I intend to practice this and report many testimonies. This, I think, will be our true offering to your great work. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Sonali, ma'am. Thank you. Friends, any more doubts?
Thank you to you and even to Shishikala ma'am, sir.
Sir,
This
it
is-
is Jaladipam,
Okay, ma'am.
structured water and perceptual healing. It will help for meditation, sir.
Which
To
is
sit
the
long
help of
time.
what,
For
ma'am?
meditation, doing meditation.
Yeah.
To sit for long time, sir.
Don't sit for more than 20, more than your age minutes is not enough, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Sir, is enough. I think less than. I suggest you morning 5 minutes to fill, afternoon 5 minutes to fill, night 5 minutes to fill is also works very well. And you do the tapping what your body needs, and you do the perception breathing more.
Okay.
Okay,
According to age.
according to age times, perception breathing. Age minutes is meditation with the tapping like that. Even if you the 5 minutes thrice a day, it also works very well. Keep an alarm or stopwatch and do full meditation. You observe the changes.
Only for 5 minutes they have to keep for alarm, sir.
Yeah, you can keep like that and also observe that. Even you keep like that and doing thrice a day, it also works a lot.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Can we lead Jaldeepan during morning? Yes, sir, surely we can lead. But in morning session, we also have the sunlight also. That's why our body take photons more from sunlight. So at night times, we have the AC rooms. So with the moonlight doesn't comes into our AC rooms. That's why we need Jaldeepan. Okay.
Which time is best for within the Jaladipam night time, sir?
Night time?
At what time we have to keep Jaladipam?
Whenever you're going to sleep, before going to sleep, you can lead. You are so humble, sir. Thanks, Viji, for connecting you to me for such divine family. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
We are happy, sir. We connected with you. We are very happy.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. So no one have doubts, right? Yes, ma'am. Sarvamangala, ma'am. The weight loss, we need to know the root cause. It might be thyroid issue. It might be the hereditary issue, or it might be craving or sitting job, or what else, or no exercise. If you know the right cause behind the weight gain, so we can work on the weight loss very fast. The structured water and Q-field meditation tapping also works weight loss. Okay. So no more doubts. Bina ma'am, you need to say anything? You raised a hand.
Yes, sir. I have leg pains.
Leg pains.
Yes.
It's just your leg pains means knee pains or calf muscle pains?
No, I think sciatic pain.
Sciatic pain, that comes from your spine. That tapping works very fast, ma'am, to relieve the sciatica nerve pain, discomfort. If you do the tapping for 7 times and drinking water in between, structured water, it will relieve in 7 times. Within today itself, you got relief if you start.
Today.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. So anything else? Okay, all those are clarified. So I'm simplifying the session. We have 5 practicals, 3 theory parts. 5 practicals. Number 1, thymus tapping. Number 2, perceptual breathing. Number 3, Jaladeepam. Number 4, Q-field meditation. Number 5, perceptual tapping. And theory part. First one is immediate allegiance. Your genes activated according to your emotions. Second one is behavior related genes. These genes will activate according to our behavior. Our behavior must align with the sun, align with moon, align with time. So don't work on one project or sitting on one poster more than 2 hours. Okay. If you have body pains like that, you need to change posture in every 30 minutes. 3, experience related genes. It will increase your stem cells very fast. For that, you need more good earning stories. You need more increase of memory. So if you're not working on memory, but you can easily work on the good earning stories. All the spiritual books or the mythological stories are good earning stories. You can also see the Bahubali like movies. If you don't believe in God, you can also work on the Abdul Kalam like books. These are also good ending stories. Dhoni, MS Dhoni, good ending stories. The more you use the good ending stories, the more you grow, the more you elevate it, the more you will get benefited. Okay. And the 5 things you know that I again remembering you: timeless tapping, perceptional breathing, and Jaladipam, Q-film meditation, perceptional tapping. Now you see the second one, perceptional breathing, also become part of last one, perceptional tapping. Okay, so we reduce 1 point. And we can use the timeless tapping, adding into the perceptional tapping or Q-film. So we have only 3 things: Jaladipam, externally, 2 things: perceptional tapping and Q-film meditation. And add good earning stories. Okay. Okay, friends, I'm signing out. Any more doubts?
Sir, these slides, if you can put it on share.
Yeah, I will share. I will share.
Thank you so much, sir.
I will record this one. I'm this recording. This recording also will be shared, and the slides also will be shared.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Good
Thank
day
you
ahead.
all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you
to
very
all.
much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Okay, friends. Bye-bye. Thank you. Meet you soon in next levels.